My name is Valentino Harris. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I do professional bodybuilding and I own a gym in Milwaukee. So I'm from the inner city of Wisconsin, in the same areas where I opened my gym at. I use exercise as a way for discipline to teach myself how to stay on course. So ever since I was a kid, I always pushed myself, I always ran to the gym, I always try to be as strong as I possibly could be because it was an outlet for me to stay positive. I was on prep for the Arnold Classic, which is Arnold Schwarzenegger's show, and I was excited because it's a huge show. It's like the second biggest show in the world. I was training, and something told me not to train chest that day because my body fat was super low. And then that's when it happened. Like I tore my pec. I was on the bench press, and it was devastating to me because it was at the highest point of my career so far. It was extremely tough for me because bodybuilding has been a key point in my life. So I can only compare it to like a guitar artist like losing a hand or a swimmer losing an arm. Like it was devastating. After it happened, I had it repaired in 2018. And the surgeon who did it incorrectly. It was misdiagnosed. He told me it was a tear between the muscle when it was actually off the bone. But I had to keep faith that it will be fixed one day, even though there was multiple surgeons that said that it wouldn't be fixed. One day out the blue, my friend Tyler, he called me and he said that I know this great doctor that could fix it. So I'm like, are you joking? He said, no, my friend went to him. So once he did that, I looked up Dr. Mora. He told me it could be fixed after I showed him the Zoom call. I was ecstatic. It was like the best day of my life. He came with like great references from my close friends, and they said he was amazing. Then once I talked to him myself, I knew like everything was true because he's just a genuinely good guy. I flew from Milwaukee to California, and I stayed out there for I think like 14 days. It went extremely smooth. From the moment I got to the hospital to the time that I left, like everything went smooth. There was no pain for me. Like he took great care of me. He checked in on me to make sure that I was all right. Like I don't see a scar or anything. It saved my career. It was awesome.